I love this question because it turns ordinary letter challenge into a quick test of imagination. What single letter can you add to the word plan to create a valid 5-letter word related to industrial facility? 1B, 2C, 3G, or 4T? I hope you figured it out. Adding letter T to a plan creates plant. In business and industry, a plant is a factory or production facility where goods are being manufactured. That's why the correct answer here is choice 4, T. Did you find this helpful? Give the video a like, subscribe to online training for everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you in my next video.
Ha ha ha!